Oh yeah, it's Yammer and the Hammer time. That's better. We now have a Bronco. It is our road trip vehicle, and we wanted to put some mud flaps on it. And you'd think that the amount of money we spent on it, that the dealership would actually install them, because we bought them from the dealership itself. But no, 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 no. Get it home and realize there's not a lot of space in between the tire and the truck, which means that you'd have to take the tire off to put these mud flaps on. Well, I don't have the tools to do it properly, so I bought a few things and installed them myself. So this video is going to show us how to do that and how quickly it is to put the mud flaps on yourself without removing the tire, because that's a big honking tire and a little tiny space. So let's go to it.
First, we're going to need a drill. Any old drill will do. Then we're going to need a right-angled extension. And then, miscellaneous, we're going to need a hex shank short drill bit set, some hex nut drivers, a little bit of white paint, and a toothpick. There'll be some links down in the description below. Okay, we're going to actually do a bit of voiceover and music because of the inappropriate language, because it was so flippin' cold when I did this, just to make it family friendly. First, we're going to move the existing mud flaps. In this case, I use a 10mm or 3/8. We're going to place the new mud flap into position, and then we're going to mark the holes with the white paint and the toothpick so we can actually see the holes to drill. Work faster, man, faster! We're now going to use the 3/8 inch short hex shank drill bit to drill out the marked holes. I'll probably speed this up just for a matter of time, because once you've seen one hole drilled, you've seen them all. We're now going to install the new mud flaps. In my case, I used an 8mm or 5/16 inch hex nut driver. And we're just going to install this new mud flap, and that is it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Man, if I could only just work this fast. Thanks for watching. Catch you around the next time. Scooby-Doo.